Sure, here's a concise breakdown of the main components of a car engine. 1. Engine block, the main housing of the engine, typically made of cast iron or aluminum, containing the cylinders and other internal parts. 2. Cylinders, tubes within the engine block where combustion occurs. The number of cylinders varies depending on the engine type, 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, etc. 3. Pistons, fit inside the cylinders and move up and down to compress the air-fuel mixture and convert energy from combustion into mechanical motion. 4. Crankshaft, connected to the pistons via connecting rods, converts the linear motion of the pistons into rotational motion, which ultimately drives the wheels. 5. Camshaft, controls the opening and closing of intake and exhaust valves to regulate the flow of air and fuel into the cylinders and the expulsion of exhaust gases. 6. Valves, intake valves allow the air-fuel mixture into the cylinders, while exhaust valves allow the exhaust gases to exit after combustion. 7. Timing belt/chain, synchronizes the rotation of the camshaft and crankshaft, ensuring that the valves open and close at the correct times relative to the position of the pistons. 8. Fuel injectors/carburetor, deliver fuel into the intake manifold, where it mixes with air before entering the cylinders for combustion. 9. Spark plugs, ignite the air-fuel mixture inside the cylinders, creating the combustion necessary to drive the pistons. 10. Oil pump, circulates engine oil to lubricate moving parts, reducing friction and wear. 11. Coolant system, includes components such as the radiator, water pump, and hoses, which maintain optimal engine temperature by circulating coolant fluid. 12. Air filter, removes contaminants from the air entering the engine, ensuring clean combustion and preventing damage to internal components. These components work together to generate power and propel the vehicle forward. Please check link in description for a book on the subject.